Good morning, guys. Another day, June 21st, 2022. It's cloudy today. Actually, an hour earlier is the first I noticed. The planes are actually now starting to spread the sky with chemtrail. So it's going to make it a little bit harder for me to actually pick it up. And also I got to deal with the clouds, but I'm going to see what I'm trying to say to you. It's still there. It's just not the visibility of it is not as clear. If when the morning actually, when there's no clouds, no chemtrail, then you'll get a good look of it. But just want to zoom in and show you that. It's so pretty to look at though, but I know what come with this. Hold on 1 second. It's still there. It's very hard to see. So you can see it right there. I'm going to show it to you. Once again, the date, June 21st, 2022. A lot of chemtrail and a lot of clouds I'm dealing with today. See? Same location, still there. Look, nothing but clouds all over the sky. Over there is kind of blue. You see the chemtrail over there at the end? But they make sure right here, get a lot of it. I guess they're watching my video. I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. They don't want me to show you guys, so there you go. They don't want me to wake you guys up, but there's the planet, guys. As I said, this is where a lot of people get it twisted. They're saying two suns, whatever. Sun beside no, it's not beside, it's behind. Way behind, coming downwards, right? So the light from our sun, what it does, it enhances the image that's coming down in our solar system. I think at this point it's pretty much in our solar system. It's going to be here for a long, I'll be dead and gone and still be here, guys. Don't think it's just like a year or two. No. This is going to be here for a long time. So get used to it. That's why we have earthquakes, volcanoes, all these activities are going to actually intensify. Once again, I wrote this on my Facebook. Also, this video might end up on YouTube. 2028, guys, you need to be 400 miles away from the shorelines. And hold me to it, by the way. I'm begging you guys, please hold me to this date. 2028, if you're not 400 miles away from the shorelines, you're going to be fish food. And that is the reason why. Right there. Look, get the sun out of the footage, and it's still right there at the end. Look. Go back, right there with the sun. Zoom back out so you can get, yep. Don't want to lose it because the cloud is really thick. And I'm dealing with chemtrail. But I still want to show you guys, it's there. Oof. There it is, folks. There is that planet still hanging around. I wish I could catch it a lot sooner when the sun is like right there. You get a great view of it, but it's hard right now because there's a lot of rain we're getting now in Florida and a lot of cloud covering. It's happening right now. So I'm doing the best I can to catch it. At this point, I'm getting it. This is the best time of the day for me to get it from this location. Keep in mind, guys, even though I'm getting it, I'm seeing it on my phone. Even though if you're also in Florida and you try to get it, and if you don't see it, doesn't mean it's not there. It's the angle that you're facing, is the view you're getting of it. And where I'm at right here, my angle, you got to be at the right angle, the right time, everything. You got to be at the right place at the right time. And I'm actually here, so you guys can see it. Because I have a friend who's trying to see this. They're over in Clearwater, and they watch my video. I'm like, Nick, I can't get it. Because where they're at, their viewpoint of it, it's not that great. My viewpoint of it, it's amazing. And also the time I'm recording it, perfect timing to see it. There it is. Let me zoom in again. There it is. Behind the clouds, way behind the clouds. You get to see our sun a lot better because obviously it's a lot closer to a planet. That planet beside the sun. You think it's beside, it's actually behind, still way out in space. It's actually it's 10 times the size of Earth. Um, it's coming down close to Jupiter, right around there. It's going to be closer to Earth than Jupiter, but it's going to get not too far away from Jupiter. So you have an idea how far out in our solar system it's going to enter our solar system. And in that binary system is actually 7 planets. I know this information from studying Sumerian texts, because the Sumerians have lived through this before. They didn't have a phone like me to record it. So what they did, they put all this information down on clay tablets. And they decode them, the Sumerian language. And this is how I know this information. It's a cycle that happened every 3,600 years. It's a helium planet. And it's amazing to see it, man. To know that what ancient knowledge talks about is actually true. There it is. Great view right there. Wow. All right, folks. Enjoy. Have a blessed day. Just want to thank you guys for always sharing my video. I really, really appreciate it. And whoever, keep in mind, guys, not a lot of people can digest this information. So when you introduce them to it, if they don't want to accept it, it's okay. It's called cognitive dissonance. It's going against their core belief. They weren't taught this when they were a kid. So do you really think they're going to accept it? No. 9 out of 10 people are going to reject this information. I already know. That's why you gauge people first. You don't want to give them too much because it's going to be information overload. And if they don't reciprocate the way you want them to the information that you're giving them, stop and walk away and say, hey, have a great day. God bless. Be safe. And that's how I do it. You know, I don't force it on people. I introduce people to it. If they don't accept it from my first introduction, I don't continue. I leave it alone. Cognitive dissonance, folks, it's a real thing, man. And a lot of people are suffering from it because it goes against their core belief. 90% of the people are suffering from cognitive dissonance when it comes to this information. Actually, I would say 99.9% of the people. They're not going to accept it. So, it's okay. But, ciao.